I would urge that put in effort.
I have watched a few videos of Harvard Business Class and how the discussions go on in there, and it is very much similar to what we have in here. I still remember my first master class. I was so shy that I did not raise my hand to introduce myself, and then Shatakshi asked a question that I knew the answer to, but I was still very introverted that I didn't speak. So from there to fast forward to my third and fourth master class, my cursor would literally be on the raise hand button. That as soon as a question is asked, I would raise my hand, and it has happened a couple of times that I have raised my hand first and then thought about the answer 5 seconds later. So I think the first learning that I would like to share is to make use of the ecosystem that this platform is providing. It's truly commendable. I have watched a few videos of Harvard Business Class and how the discussions go on in there, and it is very much similar to what we have in here. So in the time that you spend here, I really hope that you make use of the platform. Secondly, the friends that I have made here, I think I would really cherish them for life. They are truly brilliant, kind, extraordinary people. So yes, first is the ecosystem. Second is I have completed Trinity more than twice now, and every time that I go over the videos, I learn something new and something that I had missed out on the previous previous times. So one thing that I learned from the Trinity was there are a few speakers that are my personal favorite. For example, Alpesh Shah, Aparna, Abhishek. So one trait I noticed in all of them was Alpesh Shah was actually writing down the points when people were speaking about case studies and people when they were giving their opinion about case studies. So yeah, I think the people who are at the C-suite level, who are senior leaders, they are really just humans like you and I, but the difference is they are always open to learning, and they never say that, okay, I'm at this position and you are my junior, so I don't need to learn anything from you. So I think, yeah, these are the 2 points that always keep learning and always make use of the ecosystem. And lastly, fortunately for me, my journey is not really ending with GGI. Luckily, I get to be a part of GGI as a part of OCS for a few more months. So yeah, if I start about the learnings that I'm getting there, then it will be a long session. So I will just end here.
So for like the key takeaways from my all the masterclass and my journey here were, and the mistakes which I made and I don't want others to repeat was, first about pre-reads and the assignments afterward. Be diligent about it. Put in effort. Even if you don't submit the assignment, at least go through it and try your effort, like try your best to do it. Second is regarding technical masterclasses we have. In the cohort, we have a lot of people who are not from technical background. So whenever we attend those technical masterclasses, sometimes the subject is a little on the higher end if we are not able to interact with that. So I would urge that put in effort, because at the end of the day, we have to learn those topics. Even if not today, maybe next few months. So put in the effort. So that is one thing. Be resilient during those weekends, because it is a tough subject. So that is one thing. And third, last is interact with everyone, because these are the people who will help you in your white paper, during your startup weekends, and in the break room. So it's try to interact as much as possible.